Today I will share with you one of my amazing hair growth recipe with only one ingredient. This recipe creates a very healthy scalp, promotes hair growth and thickness. This remedy will help you get rid of scalp buildup and scalp infections. If this sounds like something you'll be interested in, keep watching. May the favor of the Lord our God rest upon us. Establish the work of our hands for us. Psalm 90 verse 17. The ingredients we are going to be using today is lemongrass. You all know about this plant, right? But if you don't, let me tell you a bit about it. I have been using it since I was a child. You can find this anywhere in each home you have it. It's a plant outside your house. It's commonly seen at home. So let me tell you a little bit about it before we get into it. Lemongrass has antibacterial and antifungal property that fight off dandruff, scalp infection and build-up. A clean, healthy scalp is essential for optimal hair growth. Remember, a clean scalp is a healthy scalp. Lemongrass strengthens the hair follicle and reduces inflammation, preventing excessive shedding. Less shedding equals to more length retention. When massaged into the scalp, lemongrass boosts blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring that nutrients reach the hair follicle and support stronger hair growth. Lemongrass contains vitamins such as vitamin C, iron that strengthens the hair shaft, reducing breakage and helping the hair retain more length over time. If you are battling with oily scalp or dry scalp, which can disrupt the growth of your hair, this lemongrass will balance your scalp pH. And no, this grass was not gotten from a lemon tree. I guess it got its name from the scent. This grass smells more like lemon than lemon itself. So that is where it got its name from. I hope I'm right. Again, lemongrass is not a tree. Okay, it's just like a grass. Is a grass. Okay, it is not a tree. So I'm going to insert the picture here so you can see what it looks like. So now back to the preparation. What I'm doing right now is I'm using a scissors. It is very efficient for you to use a scissors for this process, not a knife, because you will not be able to use a knife to cut it. Okay, or maybe you can on a second thought. Just do whatever works for you. I'm cutting it because it is easier to use when it is in small piece. There are so many ways to use lemongrass on your hair. You can use it as a hair spritz. You mix lemongrass tea with aloe vera and use it as a leave-in moisturizer. You can use lemongrass oil as a scalp oil by mixing few drops of lemongrass essential oil with any choice of carrier oil and then massage it into your scalp. Another way you can use lemongrass is as a tea rinse. Steep or boil lemongrass for few minutes, allow it to cool down and use it as a rinse after your wash day. After cutting the leaves into small pieces, this is what it currently looks like now. So the next step is to wash it. After washing it and making sure it is clean, contrary to what you see on YouTube, I am not going to be boiling it because I need to get it as fresh and as potent as possible. So instead of boiling, I am going to blend it. When you blend it, you're going to extract every nutrient inside of this without losing anything. If you think I'm lying, practice boiling it and blending it this way. You're going to see the result. You're going to see the difference. What I've seen online is I've seen people boil it, and at the end of the day, you don't even get the nutrient that's inside, okay? Because you have lost some of the nutrients once you boil it. So I am doing it the best way. I know that you haven't seen this method before, so you're welcome. Kindly appreciate me by liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video to enable me keep bringing you videos like this to help you grow out long hair from the comfort of your home. The best part about this lemongrass recipe is that it is easily accessible to anyone. Lemongrass is everywhere, but in case if you cannot find it in your area, just order it online. You can even get the dry version of it from the people that sell herbs. After blending it, this is what it looks like now, and oh my god, it smells so good. Or scent, I don't know, smell, scent, you understand what I'm trying to say, but it smells so good. It smells more like lemon than lemon itself, if you understand. Like, the smell was everywhere in the house. In my mind, I'm just wishing, like, why can't every DIY smell like this? Why can't every hair smell like this? I love the smell. Like, it was amazing. And up till now, this is like 3 days after I've already used this on my hair, and I can still perceive the scent on my hair. Hope you are following. Sorry about the way I'm explaining this thing. I just hope you are understanding and following each step. So after blending it, I just went ahead to use my cheesecloth to strain it out. This is me just trying to squeeze out all the juice from it before I go ahead and throw away the chaff. Now, this is what it looks like. I'm just trying to make sure there's no particles inside. That's why I am transferring it and transferring it back into another bowl. I'm just making sure there is no particles inside. Believe it or not, I have never seen lemongrass recipe this potent before, or even this green. I have not seen it before. Now let's go ahead and apply this to my hair. So this is my 3 weeks cornrow. I'm going to take this cornrow down in maybe next 2 weeks because I want this cornrow to stay for 1 month before I take it down. So this is me just pouring everything on my hair and massaging it into the scalp. And I can tell you, when I finished massaging this thing, I felt like somebody just brought me out from a fridge. Like, my scalp was so calm. Like, my scalp was feeling so good. I have never felt like that before. I had this cooling sensation on my scalp. It felt so good. It felt like I just used the most expensive shampoo to wash my hair. That was how my hair was feeling. It was feeling like I just removed all the dirt from my scalp. For anyone out there who is curious to know how long this can stay, if you're not storing it into your refrigerator, make sure it does not pass 3 days. 3 days maximum, because if you leave this more than 3 days, you're going to notice it will no longer be this green. It would have started changing color. It will be a little bit darker. This means it is already getting bad. So I don't advise you to do this and leave it for a longer time. It is important for you to use it when it is very potent. Consistent use of this recipe will grow your hair so long, and you will not have to struggle for dandruff or any scalp infection, because this would have taken care of it. The reason I upload varieties of DIY videos for hair growth is to help someone out there who is also interested in making things for themselves to be able to pick out alternative. If this doesn't work for you, then something else should work for you. If you don't have C, you can have B. And once you find out what works best for you. Stick to that and be consistent with it. That is when you will actually grow the most hair. You can use this spray 3 times a week. I'm not going to advise anybody to use it every day because too much of a good thing is a bad thing. So use it in moderation so it will not cause something else for you. I hope we are communicating. And if you have a comment, please do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. Okay, feel free to request for any video you want to see on the channel and I will do that for you. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye.